Assalamualaikum. Today, we were going to tackle and explore world behind Nole Me Tangere. Did you know kung sino ang gumuhit ng cover ng Nole Me Tangere? If your answer is Jose Rizal, you're right. The artist himself. So, let's find some more. Hello everyone, my name is Rakma H. Abdullah, the first reporter from Chapter 8. Today, we were going to discuss about Noli Me Tangere, kung paano nga ba isinulat ni Dr. Jose Rizal ang Noli Me Tangere. The gloomy winter of 1886 in Berlin was Rizal's darkest winter. Because, bakit nga ba tinawag na darkest winter noong 1886 sa experience ni Rizal sa Berlin? Kasi nga, there is no money arrive in Calamba. He was flat, broke that time. Yung ring or demon na ibinigay sa kanya ng sister niya na si Saturnina ay naisanla niya. But then, it was unmemorable in the life of Rizal. In the two reason, yung darkest winter niya sa Berlin. Number one, it was a painful episode for he was hungry, sick. Nagkasakit din siya that time. Despondent and strange a city. Number two, it was brought him a great joy after enduring so much suffering because of his first novel, Noli Me Tangere. Come off the press in March 1887. This time din niya ginawa yung final releasing. So ayun, na-publish ang Noli Me Tangere noong 1887. According to Rizal, during his stay in the different European cities, he noted that Filipinos were practically unknown nation. So napansin ni Rizal nung nasa ibang bansa pala siya, hindi alam ng mga ibang lahi na meron palang Filipinos, na nag-e-exist ang mga Filipinos at merong bansang Philippines. Napagkakamalan daw ng mga Chinese ang mga Filipino sa Spain. So, kung may mga Pilipino noon sa Spain, ang akala nila sila ay mga Chinese. And then, nung nasa Paris naman ang mga Filipinos, ang tingin sa kanila or ang akala nila sila ay mga Japanese. So, Rizal encouraged his fellow Filipinos to call themselves Indias Bravos, for them to have a sense of national identity, realizing the need for Filipinos and the country to be known in Europe. Rizal presented a proposal on writing a novel about the Philippines to the Círculo Hispano-Filipino on January 2, 1884. Ito yung way ni Rizal para makilala ang Filipinos and the Philippines in Europe, na magtatalakay sa social, cultural, and political aspect of the Philippines. The member of the organization anonymously through this proposal, pumayag naman daw sila na magsulat si Rizal ng isang libro. Unfortunately, the projects did not expected to collaborate with Rizal did not write anything on the subject. Wala namang naging contribution daw yung mga tao na gastusan or in favor kay Rizal na sumulat ng isang libro. Okay? In the addition to this, many of his fellow members were in a difference to the project since they were more interested to write about women. So, hindi rin natuloy. He did not lose hope. Using his talent, writing skills, he started to write his masterpiece, The Noli Me Tangere. So, hindi nawala ng pag-asa si Dr. Jose Rizal na matatapos niya ang kanyang novela. He managed to finish the first half of the novel in the Madrid. So, natapos na yung half ng kanyang novel sa Madrid. He continued writing in Paris and finished it in Germany. So finally, natapos niya yung kanyang novel sa Berlin, Germany. What was the inspiration of Dr. Jose Rizal sa kanyang novel? The inspiration of Dr. Jose Rizal in writing the novel is it was Uncle Tom's Cabin. Because sabi ni Rizal, may similarities yung kwento ni Uncle Tom's Cabin sa kwento ng Philippines. Kasi kasi nung time na ito, ang tingin din sa mga Indio o sa mga Pilipino ay mga alipin. So it's become the source of idea of Dr. Jose Rizal in writing the novel about the Filipinos. No Limit Tangere was printed in Berlin. He was charged 300 for 2,000 copies. His friend Maximo Viola offered to pay the amount of the books was finally released in March 1887. That's why Maximo Viola was considered as the savior of the No Limit Tangere. Kasi yung time na ito, wala ng pera si Rizal at pinautang siya ni Maximo Viola para mailabas niya at makapag-print siya ng copy ng Noli Me Tangere. Noli Me Tangere is a Latin phrase that Rizal took from the Bible, meaning touch me not, from John chapter 20 verse 17 in Bible.